Crouchman here. Maxman there. A little update. Crazyman workshop action. It's getting there. 2 more panels for the top, and then I got to do the side. Yeah. Kind of the not the same pitch, but what are you gonna do? Close enough. I'll have like a little skylight, some skylight action in there in the morning or whatever. It's the quality you've come to expect. So now with the pool action going here, I'm trying to figure out how I can get this coping out of here, and I've discovered a method using a hammer drill, a Hilti hammer drill I borrowed from a friend. Did a little experimentation. I use this drill here to little Hilti T161233. I don't know what number it is. Oh, TE12 Hilti hammer drill. I'm not being sponsored, by the way. I did some experimentation, and I drilled like a series of holes along the seam, and then used my big old honkin' snap-on wrecking bar and just kind of broke it out. So now I got to do the whole rest of the pool. So I'm thinking probably check back with me in a year, and I may have maybe half of it done, because I'd like to concrete this area here and then put some more anchor, because right here there's no anchors. I'm quite confident it's not going to go anywhere, but if I'm going to pour concrete, I would put some more anchors down in there. So I'm just saying. So yeah, the little one I had over there is now here, so it slides inside of this one, so I can get an extra, I don't know, 3 or 4 feet of shade back there. And then the big one that was here is scooched back over there where it originally was. It's sitting on top of the box there, the cargo box, so now it's not all bowed in the middle. So I got plenty of shaded, covered areas for all my junk. All the windows leak, it's like I just want them out of the weather. You know, it's like that stupid van there. The back seal leaks, and the roof leaked right on and filled the whole back of it with water, and I had tubs, and oh, it was a mess. So this is a long process, and I've been wanting to get this done for a while. So now I can get everything under cover and not have to worry everything getting soaking wet. And plus I'll be in the shade too. I'm not supposed to be in the sun because I got some kind of crazy rare sun disease where I turn into a werewolf or something. I don't know. Yeah, so I got a few more panels left. Kind of a challenge. Those are 26 feet long. It's quite the challenge to get them up. So me and my buddy Tony, thanks Tony, and my brother-in-law Mike, between the two of us, we've been getting this thing built. Now I can begin to hang all my chandeliers for my chandelier collection. So I've got people from all over the country bringing me chandeliers, and I'm going to hang them up all along in here. And yeah, it's going to be beautiful. Yeah, it's going to be beautiful. So now I can get the. So I cut this opening out here. I built this header so I could get 2 vehicles. I have a pit there. I don't know if I ever talked about my pit, but I dug a pit years ago to work on cars before I got my lift, and it's now filled with sheet metal. It's the sheet metal dungeon. But I cut this out so I could get 2 cars in and out of here. And then I cut this opening here, 5-foot opening here. I want to create a big old honking door, and then my lift will go in and out of here. So I usually have to move it within here, and it's always somewhat in the way. So this way I can just sneak it right out the opening, and then I'll have a clear path to move stuff around, and I can sneak it back in. So it's gonna be beautiful. Today I'm taking the little 63 GT to the donut shop. I try to cycle through a different car every day. I haven't had much luck at that. Of course, the last couple of weeks have been kind of tough. But anyway, I'm taking this one today. She's warming up. I got her in the warm-up stage. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. I think she's warmed up. Oh yeah, she warmed up. She warmed up. She's warmed up. Don't look at the temperature gauge. I didn't turn the electric fan on. Gotta get it a little hot. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I don't know if I discussed these things. I don't know if I talked about. I had these in the front yard as flower. I was gonna make it like sort of raised flower bed garden things, and I had them buried out there, and I just didn't care for it, so I took them down. Now I've turned them into workbenches. It's a 15-foot long adjustable workbench. And they're bleachers from the Fontana High School, old bleacher slats. And then, so I got 4 of the seat portions and 4 of the foot portions. The foot portion has the diamond plate. So the diamond plate ones I'll just use as shelves. So I've been creating some little angle brackets out of leftover steel for those, and then those will just drop in there so I can move those around and create portable 15-foot workbenches somewhere else if I want to. So I try to make everything like multi-purpose when I can. The little truck has been invaluable putting this thing up with my deck on top there. I just shuttle it back and forth and to and fro, stand on it with a ladder, and yeah, it works out great. I ended up taking the door off of it, just popped the door off of it so I could climb in and out of it with ease. So I've been utilizing my old truck as a tool. But yeah, I'm gonna get this red one going. FPT runs, convertible runs, FPT runs, that one runs, that one runs. The Volkswagen Bug, I gotta do some work on it. The electric car, and I have been working on the 48. I got the brakes all done on it. I gotta get running again, and I'll take it to the donut shop. So it's all about take everything to the donut shop, and that's it. That's sort of the bane of my existence, is take something different to the donut shop. Have some kind of fun with it, and just tinker with it. Yeah, that's it. Still working on the hobby room. I haven't done any Hot Wheel related anything since we started the roof project, because they had to tear the entire roof off the garage, so I had to empty out my hobby shop. So the entire contents of the hobby shop is in the back room there, all the jammers and whatnot. I've created a new jammer rack. Look at this monstrosity. That's my jammer rack right there. So I added, it was 6 feet, now it's 10 feet, and it holds 190 jammers, or so, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm remodeling the whole. You can go back on one of the other videos and see what I've been doing in the room. I've since done some more to it. I'll have to do an update video on that. But now my focus is on my carport building thing here, and then after that I got to get on these wheelchairs. I got 25 wheelchairs to put together and get online at Ontario Airport. So it never ends. I still haven't finished the painting the eaves of the house. I still haven't finished my concrete driveway project out front, and then I've got several more things inside the house that I want to do. It just never ends. So I guess it's good to just keep busy. Kind of keeps you young, I guess. I don't know. So I just leave you with that. Just stay busy and keep young, because that's